All right, so where are we now, Adam?
So we're back at Lake Boga, adjacent to the Caravan Park. So there's a flying air museum here, which they house the Catalina aircraft, and I'm guessing others as well.
And that was because they needed somewhere safe, yeah, to like
so this is
fix the planes, yeah.
This land was requisitioned in World War II.
Yep.
That was in 1942 by the government.
Yep.
So they can have a safe haven to maintain and to repair and to house flying boats, which is their service planes.
And there's a bunker here or something?
Yeah,
what was that about?
There is. So there's a communications bunker as well.
Oh, awesome. All right, so let's go inside and check what it's all about. But if you want to pause on this, this gives you the whole spiel. So if you want to pause the episode now, you can check that out. So anyway, let's go in and have a look. Adam, I've left you for 1 minute. What are you doing? You're trying on your...
Got too many layers on.
Let's have a look over here. You look. So you can try on all the different uniforms. Very interactive.
Got a small head. This is actually quite tight.
Looks good.
So they would have been like smaller sized men.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything on that rack fitting me. So I'm currently standing at the end of the plane inside it, and just through here there's two guns, and they were the rear gunmen. Now they were the easiest target, so if you pulled the straw and got their back gun person, you're most likely gonna die. And then right through, you can see right through to the front, and if you just saw the filming that I just shot Adam standing here, and then I was down the front filming from the front, and you could see where the people who fly the plane are. And they used to have about 6 or 7 different crew in here, and they even had, or maybe a little bit more, and they even have a chef. God, well, hope you cooked good food, being in such a small spot. But it is large, but then kind of small at the same time. But anyway, interesting. Just make sure if you do come, you've got plenty of time, because there is a lot of material to get through. There's so much to read. And look at this, they've got a full-size plane in this place. It's unbelievable. But fantastic stories, and we're about to head out to go see the bunker. All right, so here we go. We're going into the bunker. We can't tell anyone about this. No one knows about it. It's a big secret. And this is where they had all the communications. Now, the staff they had inside here weren't allowed to talk to the other staff members, so it's totally different, separate, just in case they let the secrets get out. So anyway, let's head on in, underground. Woo, here we go. How cool is this?
Above ground, and development of a replica of the signals and cipher facility was commenced. This main entry. As you move along the passageway, you will pass the duty officers off from the rest of the base contingent. Made possible through the generosity of the Sea Lake Historical Society in allowing it to be housed here.
Now, Adam, next time someone complains that their battery pack's too big, check this out. So this was their backup generator. So all you campers out there with generators, this was theirs. It was pretty big. So this would happen if they lost power in Swan Hill. This would start up and start running. And then we're just in the back room, which obviously the houses where they have their cups of tea and coffee and their fridge. And then they got some beds. And this is the back escape route. You can see there's stairs, ladder kind of thing going up so it can get out. You can see how thick the walls are. Obviously to stop from getting blown up, I suppose. Nice strong walls. So we've just come out of the bunker. Now, when this was operational, it was actually set up like a little town. They actually made a fake little town. The buildings were used, but it was, when you flew over on a plane, it would just look like a little town. And in the middle of it, around the bunker, was like a pumpkin patch or whatever they were growing at the time, just to disguise it as like a little farm amongst the town, so they wouldn't get bombed. Anyway, well, that was the bunker. How cool was that? This place is awesome. So this is a good picture. This is the bunker here, which we were just in. This is a veggie patch. And then this is where they used to fix the planes. And pretty much this was the pretend town, but at the same time, they were buildings that were used. And there's the lake, and we're just staying down here, not far at all. So there we go. That's it for another midweek episode, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our main episode. It is going to be epic. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. Otherwise, we will see you on Sunday. See you guys.